All right, let's talk about this with the ladies here, because I cannot believe we're talking about this again. But I mean, you look at this and think, what a brave woman to put it up
that
on
hit the nail on the
head.
Like I'm a defense attorney, so I obviously see this from the other side, but so many victims who I talk to say, I didn't want to do things like that because it would just make it worse. And they don't trust that the criminal justice system is going to get him and is going to give him enough time.
Okay, and I wanted to ask that to you because Patty wrote to us and said, I'm glad he's no longer on the street. Hopefully, that the judge will not let him off easy, as so many judges seem to do these days. He's only charged with aggravated assault in Tennessee. What does that mean? Do you know?
Well, it's a felony. Anytime it's an aggravator, and the aggravator could be a deadly weapon or the injuries, and obviously the injuries are severe. But in terms of punishment, it depends, and it's not the judge usually. It's usually a deal between the defense and the prosecution. And if they feel like there's some proof problems, which it doesn't look like here that's going to be, if they don't have victim cooperation, which again, it doesn't look like that's going to be, then that's when they plea bargain it down to either a misdemeanor, a lesser charge, or probation. And his record will depend.
You know, it's important to document. So from that standpoint, it's really good too. But from a legal standpoint, I wonder, does that hurt her to document it and post it?
We're so used to seeing it after it's too late. Like with Nicole Brown Simpson, we saw the Polaroids when it was too late, when she was no longer with us, and he took it to that level. Also, I think she is so brave, and some women don't post them or make them public because then they can't stay. Sadly, is when they put it out there, they feel like now everyone knows I can't hide it, because that's a huge
shame of being a victim,
and maybe going back is part of the problem, as you know.
But to go to the Facebook thing, the only time I find as a defense attorney that I can use it is if they say something like, you know, I'm going to get him, or something that doesn't make it look like she was in fear. I think what she did in this case is not going to hurt the case because she's basically documenting, look at what he did to me. And what's remarkable, as she's going into surgery, she's worried about other women, and that's incredible.
That's my main thing here. Of course, I'm no legal expert. Excuse me, this woman, it always starts with one. It starts with one brave woman. It starts with somebody speaking up for those who are too afraid, you know, at home in fear for their children, for, even though you said even your pets. I can't even believe
there's shelters where you can bring pets.
Something that people don't leave because of something, you know, not insignificant, but something that's small is still keeping them attached to the situation. So
everybody
I applaud this woman.
That
she's, you know, it takes one woman to do this, and that is a lot of bravery. And
she said her friend died, and maybe she had had enough and feels like I have nothing else to lose. And if something does happen to her, someone's going to have to be held accountable because she's documenting it now.
And he's outed now. He's outed, and hopefully, you know, he won't be the guy that's going to retaliate. Hopefully, he'll be the guy that gets help.
Or the community defends her. The community will,
defend
because they know, they're on notice that she is in danger. And I mean, let's face it, why would we be confident he's not going to hurt her?
Right, and I always say, you know what, you're stronger and you're smarter than you think you are, and you are equipped to do whatever you have to do.
That's
so do not doubt yourself and let his words tell you who you are. If you would like to leave words of encouragement and support for her, just go to our Facebook page, HLN On the Case, and thank you so much for doing so.